Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just want to make a little video about the fender flares on my Hellcat, what I got from Vicrez. The flares are really perfect and fits good on the car, but it's not for me because the reason when I put the wide body wheels on it, the wheels are hitting into the fender flares, so I had to remove them and back to stock now. I really love the looks of it, and that's how I wanted to do it for a long time, but these flares are not for me because I don't want to fix it up every weekend. I had it on for like a little over a month, and I fixed the glue like, I don't know, 5-6 times, and when I get out to the sun it heated up and it was coming off. So this thing is not for me. Sooner or later I'm going to do the rear fender flares by who can install it like the factory one, and that's gonna be way better than install any fender flares by myself. I mean, I bought like 3 or 4 types of double-sided glue, and they were saying that these are the best, these are the best, but none of them will work for this application, and I didn't want to do it another way. So I love the sound of it. I love the sound of it. So I need to find a really good body shop who can install me the factory rear fender flares on this car, because otherwise I'm not gonna have it on my car. It's just not worth it for me to play around and fix it every week, 2 weeks, whatever. I know some people said they did it with the GB weld or something like that, but I don't want to do this flare with a GB weld. GB weld is not for me on this application. So I have no problem with the Vicrez fender flares whatsoever. They will really fit good, perfect. Just I don't want to go undersized wheels or tires because of the fender flares. So I'm gonna have to do the factory way somehow. Like I said, I need to find a place who can do it and who can do a really good job, because I don't want to go to any Mickey Mouse shop or something. So I really need to look up somebody who can do it, but I still just want to do it for the rear, because that was my dream for a long time. And then the Demon 170 came out with the rear fender flares, no fender flares on the front. So but what can I do? Can't do nothing about it. I still gonna do it one day. I just need to find the right shop. So let's go for a little drive and I finish up this video. I still have the Vicrez hood on the car. It looks awesome and I love it. I have no problem with Vicrez whatsoever, because their stuff is just really good, fits good, but it's not for me. On the fender flares, of course, because the hood is still good. I still like it. Yeah, so alright, let's go for a little drive. I really love the look with the wide body flares on the back, and it really looked unique because no other car had it like that. Mine was only the one, so I know a lot of people using this company Vicrez for a lot of stuff, fender flares, hood, spoilers, whatever, and I can recommend them. The only thing I didn't like, because the wheel was hitting the fender flare, so I need to go another route. I know a lot of people says on YouTube that they don't care that it's hitting. I do care. So that's my shit. I love this car. It's like brand new still. Bentleys, 6 Bentleys. For a modified exhaust and speed. The thing is, one day I get pulled over and the policeman said my exhaust is too loud, and I told him that I'm sorry officer, but I have a stock exhaust on the car, and he says, oh, I just have to tell you it's too loud. I said, there is nothing I can do about it because it's all stock, it came out of the factory this way, so what can I do? And they let me go. Thankfully I didn't get any ticket or something, and like I said, everything is factory on the car. It's just open the door just like that. No worries. I saw Jay Leno get his Demon 170 already. He's lucky. He was the very first person to get it. That car is just amazing. I just can't afford it. It's too expensive. $200,000-$300,000 over sticker price. No, thank you. Not even 100. Not even 50. I wouldn't pay over sticker. No dealer markups for me. Car just coming up in my ass. Charger vines just doesn't get old. Alright everybody, that's it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one.